We had this Range Rover SVR come in with a 5.0-liter V8 engine. The customer stated it was misfiring and the timing had failed. Our experienced engineers at Engine Solutions, which specialize only in engines, knew what the problem was that led to the timing issue, which we will tell you in the next part. Giving a bit of clue about it, the issue has been going on from before, which lead to engine failure. Let's see if you guys know by looking at the condition inside. Drop your answers in the comments section as to what the issue was.